Welcome to our tutorial on how to find your past profile pictures in Gmail on your PC. If you're looking to reminisce or change your profile picture to a previous one, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Step 2. At the top right corner of your screen, locate and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 3. On your profile picture, click on Edit. This will take you to the Profile Settings page. Step 4. At the top right corner of the Profile Settings page, click on More. This will expand additional options. Step 5. From the expanded options, select Past Profile Pictures. This will show you a gallery of your previous profile pictures. By following these easy steps, you can easily find and explore your past profile pictures in Gmail on your PC. Whether you want to change your current picture or simply take a trip down memory lane, this tutorial has got you covered. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.